We just arrived here in so far there's an improvement in the services here at Terminal 4. The first noticeable change, clean and well maintained CR. So we're waiting for our baggages, no, for Saudia passengers here at Terminal 4. So right now this is now being managed by private sector. Let us see if there's an improvement in how the facilities being maintained. So this is carousel number 2. Nakita kong improvement, medyo better yung mga immigration has an improvement, no, faster. So their system of yung sa magkatabi sa e-gate yung manual, no, because mostly hindi na address yung electronic na passport, automatic yung direct regal sa yung manual na system. So again, this is Terminal 4. Terminal 4, we're on board Saudia Airlines. May improvement, tingin ko, no? May improvement. Better well maintained yung facilities. The comfort rooms are clean, may sabon, there's tissue. Hopefully this can be improved further, no? Because compared with the other international airports, we have a lot to learn, no? Or we have a lot to catch up. Okay, welcome back to the Philippines after 2 weeks of travel in the Middle East.